Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable full screen gesture in your Infinix smartphone, how you can do that, and how you can remove these three buttons. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings option. You can see this. Just you have to swipe down like this. You can see this system. Just click on it, and friends, you can see the third button, system navigation, and there are two types of navigation, gestures and three button. Click on gestures navigation and you can see the gestures navigation is activated. I show you how you can press back and do this with feature. If you want to go back, then you have to turn, just swipe right. You can see how can I just swipe right. You can see this. You can see how I can just do it. And if you want to go to the home screen, then how you can just swipe up like this. At the bottom you have to just swipe up. You can see I am on the home screen. And if you want all apps, just click on any of the app and you have to just swipe up. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.